Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch SEC Network Plus through YouTube TV by activating the ESPN app. This can be tricky, but I'll walk you through it. So first, open the ESPN app on your smart TV, Apple TV, Fire Stick, or whatever streaming device you are using. You'll see a prompt to log in with your TV provider. Now, using your phone or computer, visit ESPN/activate. I'm seeing the solution here. So anyway, don't see it here, but this is the website. So ESPN slash activate.com. You have to go to this link and then enter the code that is shown on your TV screen. All right. Next, you will be prompted to select your TV provider. Now, in this case, you need to choose YouTube TV and log in using your Google account that has active YouTube TV subscription. And once logged in, your ESPN app will be authorized. Now you will have access to additional content, including SEC Network Plus games. Now head to ESPN app and you go here and check the channels and then select SEC Network Plus. Right? And that's where the live events stream, not directly from YouTube TV. Okay, let me recap. So once you authorize, go back to the app, not the YouTube TV, and then select the Signal Plus to watch the live events. This is kind of confusing, but once you will follow the steps, you will be able to watch live games. Now, if it's not working, try restarting your device or reinstalling the ESPN app or verify you are using the correct Google account tied to YouTube TV. And that's it. So just use the ESPN app on your TV, not the YouTube TV. I'll see you in the next video.